What is going on, guys? Hope you guys are doing good. Back with another vlog. Told you guys we're gonna be trying to do more vlogs, so here we are. So today we're actually gonna be working on the Civic. We're gonna see if the Civic starts. So yeah, it's probably gonna need some gas. Last time I checked, it needed some gas. So we'll see if the battery needs to be charged too. It's been like at least 4 or 6 months since we started it, so we'll see how it goes in a few. But first, gotta go to the post office. Thank you guys for the orders. If you guys have ordered anything, it'll be on the way soon. So yeah, thank you guys. Alright guys, so we're back. I got some gas just in case, because last time I remember I didn't have much gas. So yeah, now we're gonna take off this tarp and see if she fires up after many months. Damn, I haven't seen the Civic in months. It's been a long time. Still looks pretty good after sitting for months. Of course, a little dusty, but nothing major. Man, I'm about to clean out this car again. Look at this. I already know there's hella spiders in here, for sure. I don't know if the camera's catching that. Well, I guess first we'll see if we have any power, first of all. Oh man, I hope there's not a black widow in here or something. Ugh. Sheesh, the boy's going in. It's gotta be around here somewhere. Alright, moment of truth. Do we have power? Are Optima batteries overhyped or not? Let's find out. Oh wow, I don't hear the beep 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 beep. I was doing that before, but I mean, well, let's put some gas, cause pretty low. So let's put some gas and then we'll crank it. All right, moment of truth, guys. Oh, wow, 6 month startup, Optima batteries, badass. Alright guys, so the car did start. I'm pretty hyped about that. I wasn't too sure if it was or not. I was thinking maybe I'd have to get the battery charged, but sure enough, she turned on. So yeah, that's good news. Also, I noticed it still has the same idle issue, but I ordered the block off plate for the idle air control valve, so hopefully that comes in soon. Yeah, so I won't be installing that this vlog, but for sure the next one. So hopefully that fixes my issues and we can drive this thing. So in the meanwhile, it is pretty dirty in here, and I just overall in general, I'm gonna clean it up because it's been sitting, so it's gotten pretty dirty. And then also I'll be throwing on the plastic door handle covers. Finally, that's all I need. Like, you see, like, nice interior, and then boom, it just makes it look bunk, you know. So pretty hyped about that. So yeah, we're gonna clean it up in here a little bit. All right, so this is before. That's how we're looking now. Not perfect, but way better. Still gotta do the left side, clean up the seats a little bit. All right, I'm actually gonna move the Civic right here. It'll just be easier to work on instead of going all the way down to the street. So alright guys, interior is looking a little bit better. Doesn't feel so nasty in here. There's no cobwebs and dirt everywhere. It feels a little bit better. But anyways, we're gonna throw these bad boys on finally. I'm just gonna clean them up real quick, and then we'll complete our door panels. So is this the right side? Oh, I think it might be. I'm not too sure. We'll figure it out. But my handy dandy simple green. Alright, I'm so confused right now. So obviously, this side is the passenger. Goes good. We'll cover the whole space. But then we come over here. It obviously fits, but why do I have this gap right here? I could have sworn the door panels and the covers were both from coupes. Never mind. I figured it out. I forgot this shit used to be an EX, so I have the I'm missing the electric switch right there. So yeah, I got the base trim door handle covers. At least that side fits, right? I feel like we're in the rocket like that. Well, it's another thing I'm gonna have to order. I swear it's a never-ending project. It's always little things. So I know the S2K has been down, but like I could be driving this in the meantime, and I've been thinking about it. So like, I don't know guys, I think I'm gonna be just using my money and just getting this thing on the road, because it's just been sitting in front of my house under a tarp. So yeah, I mean, this could be a lot of content, just me driving it, just doing little stuff. So if you guys want me to bring back the Civic and just drive it and just get those vlogs going, let me know, because what's taking so long is me trying to save up for the S2000. Whether I'm gonna rebuild it or buying another motor, it's just gonna be really expensive. So I could waste like a third or a fourth of the money getting this car super solid, and yeah, it'll still be hella fun. So let me know if you guys think that's a good plan. I know your boy's looking a little rough. I need a haircut. I was planning on doing that today, but I guess we'll wait till tomorrow. Alright guys, sun is going down. Still need to clean up. I need to put this thing away. But yeah, I know this vlog was a little short. I wasn't expecting it to be this short. I thought I was gonna have to go charge the battery and do other things just to get this thing to turn on. But well, turned on first try, so that's good. So yeah, I'm for sure gonna make another vlog once that part comes in for the idle air control valve, and I'm hoping it fixes it. If it doesn't, then I guess we'll figure it out. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know there wasn't much, but you know, it was something. A lot of you guys were like, you know, you rather see content than nothing, so I'm trying. For sure the next vlog will be a little bit more mechanical work, you know, on the K24. So if you guys are enjoying these vlogs, make sure you drop a thumbs up for your boy. It really helps me out. And also if you guys are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. More vlogs are on the way. Alright, let's move this baby.